6 years ago, during the winter when it's not snowing, I wanted to drive my Scion IQ because this is good on gas compared to my other vehicles. But one challenge is the weather. It was very cold. So I decided to buy some seat warmers or seat cover warmers for this vehicle. That was 6 years ago. So fast forward today, it's still working, so I can finally recommend them. Seat cover warmers. 2012 Scion IQ. It doesn't come with heated seats, so I had to buy some seat warmer covers for it to drive it during the winter time. Now here's the posting on eBay where I bought it. It came in a pair or two pieces for $20. But the funny thing is, it is for both driver sides, which is very funny and ridiculous in my opinion because their definition of being for the driver side is the outlet is on the right side of the seat warmers. But in reality, it is straight up in the back. Anyway, this is the seat cover. Let me show you how it works. Let's start with the material and the attachment. Now this is faux leather. I don't think this is actually real leather. Now at the back you have a hook attachment, detachable hook attachment. Give me a second. So you lock it in over your headrest. Then you have two inserts that go in between your two seats at the back and at the bottom. But because I have one-piece seat cover, I can't use the inserts to hold it in place in between the seats. Then this is your power outlet that goes to your charger or cigarette lighter, whatever you may call it. Adjustments for the temperature. And at the bottom, get some hooks to hook it at the bottom. Very straightforward. Now let's install it. Let's start with a part that I cannot install because I have a one PC cover. So this insert has to go between the back and the bottom of the seat. So you slide it in and this holds it in place so it doesn't move around. Next, top portion, you can detach it and put it over your headrest depending on your headrest if you have a one piece or a two piece headrest. Oh no, it's snowing. Anyway, so have it attached. There you heard it click in place. Then, like I said, if this is not a one piece seat cover, you slide it in. Then make sure that your outlet goes on the proper side because this is the passenger side. It goes to the left so you can attach this to the carport charger. Now let's do the bottom. So for the bottom, you have two hooks. Just look for a metal bar at the bottom that you can attach it. Now make sure you don't attach it on a wire because if you do, it's gonna break the wire. So that's one. And give me a second. Let me look for it. Sorry, I can't put the camera underneath the seat because really there's no space to put it in. Okay, I got it. Metal plate at the bottom of the car seat. So with that attached, this is how it looks like. Again, it's not going to be perfect because I don't have the inserts for in between the two seats. So it looks like it's floating. But it works. Now let's slide in the power source in our charge port. Now I have an extension, so I have multiple charge ports in my vehicle. Next, turn it on. Now by default, it is set to 100. So once it warms up, right now it's 43, you can lower it to 90, 80, increments of 10. And once you set it, it will go back and show the current temperature, 47, and it should start rising up. Now you can always adjust it to your temperature of liking so you don't overheat or you're not too cold. And it works very well. I don't know if you can hear it, but it's making a cute sound. So I've had this for 6 years now and it still works. So I highly recommend it for those people who don't have built-in car seat heaters and you want one for your vehicle so you can drive it during the cold season when it's not snowing. Let's see how high it goes. So it goes up to 150. Of course, that's going to be too hot for me. I'm actually good with 80. And it's 79, 78 because it is close to 80. Let's make it 90. There you go. Let's see it warm up. Unfortunately, I can't show you the temperature because I don't have a handgun or a temperature sensor to show you the temperature of the seat cover. But like I said, it works and I highly recommend it, and you should be happy with it also when you try it. Alright, hope you like it. This is not a sponsored video, but like I said, I just want to help others who don't have heated seats and want one for their vehicle.
A few moments later.
Unfortunately, we just had the worst snow of the decade, so I can't drive the car right now. At least I now have heated seats. Anyway, thank you for watching.